So this is complete course on AI for beginners, and today we are going to discuss top 5 type of tool which everyone should know about. So in last few parts we discussed about basics of AI and prompt engineering, and in this part we are going to discuss top tools which will help you in getting ahead. So imagine having a personal assistant who do everything for you, from writing emails to creating marketing copy to designing graphics and also building apps for you. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. So in this video, we are going to discuss top tools which you can start using right now, and it'll change the way you create and grow your business. So grab a notebook and have some coffee. We are going to walk step by step through tools that can do everything from writing, creating sounds, applications, designing productivity, and much more. So number one in this list is apps for using LLM. So a lot of companies like OpenAI, Google, etc. have created large language model. Wanted people to use through APIs and other means, but in order to make them easily accessible to users, these companies have created apps. So apps like ChatGPT. So when you chat with ChatGPT, it uses a LLM model in backend to provide you all the answers. So first thing is you should have some of these tools like ChatGPT or Grok or Google Gemini, in which you can ask questions and get responses. So a lot of people use these tools also as a therapist or a buddy or a mentor, where you can provide different scenarios, and this LLM models or apps like ChatGPT can do analysis for you and provide results. It can also write emails for you. It can write marketing copy for you. It can help you in brainstorming different business ideas, scenarios, do market research, and whatnot. Now you will observe that some of these models are good in one aspect compared to other. So for example, ChatGPT you can use for pretty much anything, but generally you'll see that Grok might be better for social media related posts and those things, because Grok uses heavily the Twitter based data or X based data, in addition to the other LLM data. And you'll see that Perplexity might be good for doing research, because it indexes a lot of research topics. You can do research on Reddit posts and different specific item. So for research related thing, Perplexity might be a better option. So one should be aware about these different kind of AI apps and see, pick and choose which one is best for you. But ChatGPT works great for most of the scenarios. So make sure you bookmark and subscribe this channel so that you can visit again and refer these things. Number two is tools for creativity and design. So you can use tool like Canva AI. So Canva you can use to create logos, thumbnails, different kind of images. You just provide a prompt and it will create it for you. We have also shared a video on how to use Canva, and you can refer it. You can also use Midjourney as a tool for creating these different images and all. Recently, Google has introduced a model called Nano Banana, which we covered in our earlier videos. And Nano Banana is literally changing the way you create designs. So now small businesses can use these AI models to create graphics and images instead of hiring a graphic designer, and save a lot of money. So if you can create any image, what kind of image will it be? Drop a comment and let us know how you will use these image based tool for your specific use case. Now third category of tools are tool for creating AI videos. So you can use tool like HeyGen to create an AI avatar of yourself and then provide it a script, and then this tool HeyGen will create a video which will just look like you are talking and presenting that data. So a lot of time when CEOs or business owners don't have much time, what they do is they are using HeyGen kind of tools to create their avatar, to create social media posts, a lot of learning materials and different things. This way they are able to save time and also provide a personalized kind of approach for their audience. There's also a tool called Descript which you can use for AI editing. So instead of using hours editing your videos, you can provide video to Descript and it will do most of the editing for you. And it also provides you option where you can edit the text which is coming on the left side, and it'll make edits in the video, making editing process really fast. So using these tools, right? So for if we have to take an example, if somebody is a YouTuber, they are creating a lot of YouTube videos, they can use HeyGen to create a videos by providing it script. And if they already have some videos, they can use this script to get it edited and improve their productivity. So number 4 is AI tools for coding. And this is big. People are creating multi-million dollar businesses by building apps using these AI coding tools. It is also known as vibe coding because you can just provide a prompt and go with the flow or the vibe of what you're trying to develop and develop an app. So personally, one tool which I really like is Lovable AI, and I have used it to create multiple apps myself. So in Lovable, you can just provide few comments what you want to build. It will create a software for you, and you can connect it with a super-based database, and you can have a fully functional app within few minutes or maybe hours. A lot of people are also using these vibe coding tools to create software specific to their own business. So instead of buying multiple tools and then connecting them with each other, people are trying to use vibe coding to create something which works for them end to end. So like you might be having a tool to capture leads, then a tool to send emails, then a tool to set up appointment, then a tool to do some other kind of outreach. So instead of having these 5-10 different tools, businesses are creating their own tools and saving a lot of time. Or what you can do is find tools which are already available in market, create something yourself, make it more user friendly, and sell it for millions of dollars. You might have seen recently Elon Musk has announced that he will be launching Macro Hard, a software which will kind of try to create a replica of Microsoft. He's saying that since a lot of these companies are based on only software, AI can be used to replicate similar software and provide it to customers at a much cheaper price. Let's see what happens with that. Now, tool number 5 is AI agents, and this is huge. And in upcoming videos, we are going to go deeper into AI agents. But AI agents are basically softwares which can automate a lot of tasks for you. And there are agents which can interact with each other also. So you can use tools like N8N, Make.com, Zapier to create agents which will work on their own. So for example, you are creating a social media post on a daily basis. So you can create an AI agent which will first find out the latest news from the market or Google, summarize it for you, create a social media post. Secondly, it can generate an image also by connecting with OpenAI or any image generation tool. And then finally, it can also post it into Instagram or TikTok. And we have discussed this use case in our prior videos. So basically, you have created an agent which is creating social media posts, not only text but also image, and also posting on Instagram, TikTok on a daily basis. So this is doing a job which maybe a social media marketer or a social media manager for your company might be doing, and you have totally automated this job. So this is one example, but there are a lot of AI agents which people are creating to do competitor analysis, scan through different reviews, do market research and whatnot. So with the help of these AI agents, you can literally build a huge company where each AI agent is like an employee. So instead of hiring hundreds of people, you can have hundreds of AI agents running for you and doing job. A lot of experts say one day there will be $1 billion company run by one person. This is how it will happen through AI agents. One person managing hundreds of agents and getting work done. Now here's one challenge for you. In the comment, let me know which one of these tools you find most valuable and what are you going to build next. I hope you found this part of the course valuable. And if you have any question, let me know in comment. In next episode, we are going to discuss all about AI agents and how you can use in a practical scenario. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and bookmark this playlist. so that you don't miss any of the future episode. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.